This is Duckland. Everything in Duckland is designed for ducks. The duck pond works like this. Rainwater is caught by the roof of the house and diverted into the pond. The falling water oxygenates the pond. An electric pond aerator adds more oxygen to the deepest portion of the pond. The bubbles circulate the water so nothing stagnates. The pond is separated into two parts, the duck area and the plant area. The plant area grows water plants to filter the duck manure in the water. The ducks can eat anything in their area, but they cannot eat the plants that filter the water. Snails eat the plants that filter the water. Right now, the system works like this. Imported duck food turns into ducks and duck poop. Duck poop in the water turns into water hyacinth. Water hyacinth turns into snails. Snails turn into ducks. Ducks lay eggs that turn into humans. And human pea. Human pea turns into duckweed and azolla. Duckweed and azolla turn into ducks and duck poop. Duck poop on straw fertilizes fruit trees and perennial vegetables, which turn into ducks and humans and caterpillars. Caterpillars, which turn into moths, which are attracted by an ultraviolet light. So moths then turn into fish and ducks, and fish poop and duck poop, which turns into water hyacinth and algae. Water and moths attract frogs and toads, which make tadpoles that eat algae. Tadpoles turn into ducks. Leftover perennial vegetables and fruit from the humans turn into compost worms and black soldier flies that turn into ducks that make duck water. Duck water fertigates yams and sweet potatoes that turn into ducks that make duck water, that fertigate mulberries and strawberry trees that drop fruit to feed fish and snails and ducks. As the system matures, less and less duck food will have to be imported. More and more will be grown from within the system, minerals moving from one organism to another. Nitrogen and carbon pulled from the air, rock dust minerals pulled from deep underground by tree vegetables, minerals flying in and hopping in, cycled endlessly. This is the snail loop. This is the water hyacinth loop. This is the human loop. This is the duck loop. This is Duckland, an experiment in progress.